Good morning, students. We are continuing with exercise 3.2 and in the question number 5, the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 1:2. Find the measure of all other angles. This is question number 5. So let us see beta on the board. Solution is on the board beta. Look there. Let two adjacent angles are x and 2x because ratio is 1 and 2. So multiply the ratio with x. So therefore one angle is x, 1 into xx and 2x. And because they are adjacent, so their sum is 180 degree. Okay? Then 3x 180, x is 180 by 3, 60 degree. So first angle is 60 degree. And because they are adjacent, so second angle is, their sum is 180. So second angle is 180 minus 60, that is 120. Now opposite angles are equal in case of parallelogram. So both these angles, this angle is 120 and opposite to this is 60 degree. In this way, you can solve the question number 5. It is question number 5. Now question number 6. 6 में क्या है बेटा? The ratio of two sides of a parallelogram is 2:3 and its perimeter is 60 centimeter. Find the sides of the parallelogram. Now again the ratio of two sides is given and you know the perimeter of parallelogram is 2 into L plus B. I look at the board. देखो what is given in this? This parallelogram is given and ratio of two sides is 2 and 3. So therefore, let us take first side is 2x and third side is 3x because ratio is 2:3. Whenever ratio is given, to multiply the given side by x. That is the actual length. This is 2x and this is 3x. Now perimeter is what? Perimeter क्या होता है? Perimeter होता है length of boundary. This plus this plus this plus this. Now 2 times 3x and 2 times 2x. That is 2L plus B. Perimeter is given 60. So 2 into, put the value of length 3x and 2x. It is 60. So 2 into 5x is equal to 60. So 5x is equal to 60 by 2. That is 5x is equal to 30. X will be 30 by 5. 6. So what is 3x? First side is 2x, 2 into 6. Second side 3 into 6 because 3x. इसी तरह third side is 2 into 6. Third side, fourth side is 3 into 6. So this is the question number 6. Question number 7. In this question beta, ABCD is a rhombus. This ABCD is a rhombus is given. In rhombus, all the sides are equal and diagonals are bisect each other at right angle. So length of one diagonal is 20 centimeter. Because they bisect each other, so 10 is this side and 10 is this side. And length of this diagonal is 21 centimeter. So 21 by 2 ये or 21 by 2 is this. And diagonals bisect each other at right angle. That is, diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. So this one is 90 degree because both are bisect at 90 degree. This 90, all are 90 degree. Let us choose this triangle, AOD. Now in right angle triangle AOD. So this is the question beta. Look at the board. In figure ABCD is a rhombus. Let this is we take as a rhombus ABCD in which diagonals are given AC and BD. and these are perpendicular bisector of each other. Because this is 20, so 10 is this side and 10 is this side. So AO is what? 10 and DO is what? Total is 21. So it is 21 by 2. Don't use in decimal. It is better for you. So 21 by 2. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. AOD, right angle triangle है ना ये. So AD square is what? AO square plus DO square. Put the value of AO. It is 10. Value of DO 21 by 2. So 10 square is 100 and 21 square 441. 2 square is 4. Now take 4 as LCM. So 4 into 100, 400 plus 441, it is 841 by 4. And 841 is the square of 29 and 4 is the square of 2. Now AD square is 29 by 2 का whole square. So cancel out square both side. So AD is 29 by 2. So this side is 21 by 2 and side plus side plus side plus side, because all sides are equal. And the perimeter is length of all the sides, because all the sides are equal. Hence length of all these sides is 4 into side. 4 into 29 by 2. That is 2 to the 4, 58 centimeter is the perimeter of this rhombus. ठीक है बेटे. Now look at the next question. It is question number 7 था ना ये. ये था बेटे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. में देखो, 8 में क्या गिवन है? ABCD इज ए रेक्टेंगल, ये गिवन है. 7 क्वेश्चन. ABCD is a rectangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, complete the following. Yes. In rectangle, beta, all the angles is of 90 degree. So we are going to use this fact. This situation is given in this question. कि ABCD is a rectangle. So all the angles A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D, these are of 90 degree, because in rectangle all angles is of 90 degree. तो apply Pythagoras theorem. बेटा 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट जो भी साइड्स होती है that is hypotenuse. तो AC is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. Clear? तो इन पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या होता है बेटे? हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. AC स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? AC स्क्वायर इज दिस स्क्वायर प्लस दिस स्क्वायर. AD स्क्वायर प्लस DC स्क्वायर. अगर इफ यू टेक दिस ट्रायंगल एंड इफ यू टेक दिस ट्रायंगल, then AB square plus BC square, you can write anything. Both sides are equal. These both sides are equal. So I am going to write AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. And BD square is what? BD square is BC square plus DC square. This square plus this square in this right angle triangle. Question number 8 is only this. So it is enough for today, beta. Wait for next lecture. Till then, bye and have a good day.